Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about to apply for a job in LinkedIn. So guys, if you are thinking about to apply on a job, then how will you apply on LinkedIn? Let's get started. Just look at the top of the screen, and here in this nav bar you will see jobs. You have to click on it and then go down by scrolling down, and here you will see there are so many jobs are on LinkedIn. You have to simply click on your dream job, and then you will simply apply here easily. Click on easy apply. When you click on easy apply, the pop-up will appear on your screen, and here you can add your email address, your phone country code, and then your phone number, and you can upload your resume over here. Once you click on this button, then you can add your resume. Like if I add my resume from here and I am going to open it, as you can see guys, my resume has been attached with my proposal, and here I will write my phone number. Write your phone number over here and then submit your application by clicking submit application. As you can see guys, my application has been submit to this job. So same as you can apply easily on LinkedIn on any job, or you can search your jobs by city, by country, and by company, and you can add your job type. So guys, this video going to be very helpful for you in your future, and this is how to apply for a job in LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.